Some women have healthy eggs, but they cannot conceive. But that doesn't mean they cannot become mothers or they cannot become parents. It's here where surrogacy plays an important role. Hello, I'm Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Chanirba IVF Center, Guwahati.
Superintendent ke Pulit ke District East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM ula Pynlong ke Jingtohkit halor ke Jing Penjular ke kali bolero rong lie jong Pastor Macdonald Pyngrope Wahingdoh. Haga bagi Pulit ke Jingtohkit benia ala ke negeri ke kam ke bertemu bentuk negeri tang ke Jingkwa ban penihar keput keberan ki wepat ke Jingtemu ke besneu persya ayo pastor. Habai keren ba uba Vivek CM ule tho ba ke Pulit kleyo ke kubora ke janmiet jong ke arp sau terik ujemang kata kesini ublei hakapor kumbang kendai steng menmiet. Haga bagi runar kelapan prai ke yet ke menadian jogane kali ke biang harut surok. Halor kini ke jingsya penjularu pastor ulada ben ujar ejahar haga tanat lumding jeri ke belasim gum ke 0 FIR balapan keneria no yaka Shah ka sadar police station haga bala register ka kum ka non cognizable case. Badan sapa ke ying syari ne ke benta ban yo eko hukum ban betha ban Pynlong ya ke Jingtohkit ke babania. Namar bagi mar ki mata ki bedan hapo ke kali ki don bet hakali bat kim syam la satu ki Pulit kin nang toket benia yo ke don kanu ko wei pat ke Jingtemu halor kane ka Jing Penjular ke kali pastor. Upasta Macdonald ude ubrio ubala ujor ya ke FIR halor ke Jing Shah keno bamsap ke pisah haka balang Presbyterian Mokhar. Halor kene ke bakot duma ke bejak ke pisah ke bakot like lor tengka. Superintendent ki Pulit ule thu bagi Pulit keladap submit ya ke charge sheet ha ke balalap ke pisah ke bapoi like lor tengka kelaja. Bad hadin kene pastor lu ujor sekawai pat ke FIR ke bakeno bahaduk sau kelor tengka ke pisah barok ke balapanan kam bakla ne bamsap. Katenat Pulit kelashimti kene ke kam bat pha syakayang syari. Bagi yang syari kala ai ya ke jing betha bakatenat Pulit kedai bandang yai beteng ya ke Jingtohkit halor kene ke jo ke kam. Baladadan ki sabut ni ke Jing Shah ke bethamai ke bami akapor ke Jingtohkit on sabeteng ban penieso ke Jingtohkit halor kini ki sabut bethamai ki bon mi.
So yesterday in the evening at about 9:30 we got an information that Pastor Macdonald Pyngrope's white Bolero, which was parked alongside the road at Wahingdoh, was vandalized. The rear glass of the vehicle was broken, and for that he has filed an FIR at Lumnijri, and the same was treated as a 0 FIR, and which was transferred to Sadar. So Sadar Police Station has taken up a non-cognizable case whereby it's going to be registered after cognizance is received from court. Police is making all efforts to find out the culprit. We also trying to ascertain whether the culprit had intentions of stealing from, because there were things inside the vehicle, and or whether it had ulterior motives. Already there's a rift in the church, but we will be able to ascertain after we investigate the matter whether it has to do with the rift in the church or whether it is a simple case of crime against property.
The same pastor had to file FIR on the corruption issue.
Yes, he was the same person.
What is the update on that?
Well, the first case has been charge sheeted, where about 3 crores was found missing. Pastor Macdonald has filed an additional FIR that about 4 crores, over 4 crores has been misappropriated. We have taken up that matter with the court, and court has given us direction that it will still continue with the same case only, and in case any new events or evidence crops up, then it's going to be continued with the same investigation.